Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability, okay? Probability. So in this lesson today we are going to solve the illustration number 33 to 35, 33 to 35, okay? So come on to the illustration number 33 and it is too simple. Illustration number 33 is that there are 3 boys, yes, and 2 girls. Is a friend circle, in a friend circle, okay? 2 persons are randomly selected from this friend circle one by one. We have to select two person one by one out of this total 3 boys and 2 girls, okay, with replacement, and we have to select 2 person one by one by with replacement to sing a song, okay? गाना गाने के लिए आ रहे हैं. Find the probability that the first person is a boy. Yes, we have to find the probability for that. First person है वो boy आना चाहिए. Yes, and the second person is a girl. Second person है वो girl आनी चाहिए. In the 2 person selected to sing a song. Okay, we have to find the probability for the first person is a boy and the second person is a girl. Okay, first of all we have to write the event A and B. Event A is the selected person. First selected person sing a song sing a song is boy. Yes, okay, पहले boy आता है गाना गाने के लिए. चलो, and the what is the probability for this event A? We have to find the probability of event A. Yes, and how many number of the possible outcome over here? Number of the possible outcome n number of the possible outcome. We have to select one person out of total 3 boys and 2 girls, means we have to select one person out of the 5 person. Yes, so the n is equal to 5. And how many number of the favorable outcome m is equal to? We have to select one boy out of 3 boys. Yes, so we have to select one boy out of 3 boys. So the number of the favorable outcome is equal to 3. Yes, so we can find the probability of event A. Yes, P of A is equal to m by n. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 5. Clear? Okay. Now event B. Event B is that second selected person sing a song is a girl. Yes, second selected person sing a song. Sing is king. Sing a song. Sing a song is a girl. Yes. Okay. Now we have to find the probability for this event B, and in the second selected person sing a song is a girl. Yes, so first of all we have to find the total number of the possible outcome. N is equal to, yes, we have to select one girl, but out of how many person? 3 plus 5 is equal, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 person. Yes, why? Because in this selection is the with replacement selection. Yes, हमने जो एक बॉय को पहले सिलेक्ट किया हुआ था गाने गाने के लिए, वो गाना गा के आता है, बाद में उसको फिर सिलेक्ट करना पड़ता है, बाद में उसको फिर रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है. क्लियर? कि वो बाद में वो भी गाना गाने के लिए जा सकता है. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार उसने गाना गा लिया तो उसका अब टर्न नहीं आएगा, उसका दूसरी बार भी टर्न आ सकता है. क्लियर? तो जो बॉय गाना गाने के लिए गया था उसको फिर से हमको ग्रुप में रखना है. Clear? So the total number of the person is now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, why? Because this selection is with replacement. Yes, okay, so we have to select one girl out of total 5 person. So the total number of the possible outcome is 5. Okay, now we have to find the total number of the favorable outcome for this event B, and it is denoted by m, and we have to select one girl out of how many girls? Out of the 2 girls. Yes, so 2C1 and it is equal to 2. Yes, so we can find the probability of event B. P of B is equal to m by n. M is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. Yes, so this is the probability of event A and the event B. Okay, but our task is that find the probability that first person is a boy and there is a and second person is a girl in the two person selected to sing a song. ओके, ये दोनों जो इवेंट है वो एक साथ होनी चाहिए, एंड दोनों होनी चाहिए. एंड मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन. यस, सो दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय A intersection B. Yes, and its event is a event of first person is a boy, selected person sing a song, selected person sing a song. Okay, first selected person sing a song. First selected person sing a song is boy. यस, ये तो इवेंट ए हुई है, लेकिन साथ में इवेंट बी भी होनी चाहिए. एंड सेकंड सिलेक्टेड पर्सन sing a song is girl. क्लियर? ओके, ये दोनों इवेंट होनी चाहिए, इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा, सॉरी, देयर इज अ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी. यस, फॉर द एंड देयर इज अ इंटरसेक्शन. यस, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ event of intersection of event A and B. Yes, and these two event A and B are independent event. Yes, वो एक दूसरे पे डिपेंड नहीं हुई. So this event, so the formula for the P of A intersection B is equal to P of A and multiply by P of B. Why? Because the event A and B are the independent event. Okay, put the value P of A. P of A is equal to 3 by 5. Yes, is equal to 3 by 5. And multiply by P of B is equal to 2 by 5. Yes, so it is equal to 6 by 25. Clear? Write down it. Okay, done. Okay, now we are come on to the illustration number 34. Illustration number 34 is that two balanced dice thrown simultaneously. Yes, we have to throw two balanced dice simultaneously. Find the probability that at least one of the two dice shows the number 3. At least one of the two dice show the number 3. At least means union. Yes, so we have to find the union of event A and B. Yes, understand, we have to find the union of event A and B, probability of the union of event A and B. Yes, now we give the name of the event A and B. Event A is that first dice shows the number 3. Yes, event of first dice shows number 3. Okay, and event B is also the second dice shows the number 3. Why? Because we have to find the probability of at least one of the two dice shows the number 3. Yes, उसमें पहली डाइस पे भी नंबर 3 आ सकता है, दूसरी पे भी आ सकता है और दोनों में भी आ सकता है. यस, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द P ऑफ A यूनियन B. ओके, तो इवेंट ए को तो हमने कह दिया है कि फर्स्ट डाइस पे नंबर 3 आएगा. अब इवेंट बी को क्या कहते हैं कि इवेंट बी है तो उसमें सेकंड डाइस में भी क्या आता है, नंबर 3 आता है. ओके, इवेंट ऑफ सेकंड डाइस shows number 3. Okay, so we can find the probability for these two event P of A. Okay, if we toss a balanced dice, then how many number of the possible outcome? 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Yes, but we have to show the number 3. Yes, but we have to select only one number and this number is 3. Yes, so we have to select number 3 out of the 6 number. Yes, so the probability of event A is equal to 1 by 6. Number of the possible outcome is equal to 6 and number of the favorable outcome of event A is equal to 1. Yes, so this is the probability for event A. Okay, now the probability for the event B is also m by n. Yes, and here also we have to select number 3. Shows number is a 3. Yes, 3 means one number, only one number. Okay, so we have to select a 3 number out of the total 6 number. number 3. Okay, so there is also total number of possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total number of the possible outcome for event B is equal to 6, and the total number of the favorable outcome for event B is 1. Yes, because we have to select number 3. Okay, so this is the probability for event B. Okay, but we have to find the A union B. Yes, so the now event A union B. A union B is the event of at least one of the two dice shows the number 3. Yes, at least one of the two dice shows the number 3. Okay, so we have to find the probability of A union B. Yes, and it can be found from the formula is the P of A plus P of B and minus P of A intersection B. We know the P of A. Yes, we know the P of B. Yes, but we don't know about the P of intersection of event A and B. Yes, so first of all we find the intersection of event A and B. Yes, the intersection of event A and B is that event of the two dice shows the number. Event of the 1 and 2 dice shows the number 3. Yes, they both the event A and B are occur simultaneously. Clear? Event of both the dice shows number 3. Both means and. Yes, number 3. For the end there is a intersection. Okay, so we have to find the probability of event intersection of event A and B, and it is equal to m by n. Okay, so when intersection of event A and B is the event of both the dice shows the number 3, and it will be 3 and 3. Element is the 3 and 3. Yes, so there is a number of the favorable outcome is 1, and how many number of the total possible outcome when we throw a two balanced dice simultaneously, it is equal to 36. Yes, so n is equal to 36. Number of the favorable outcome of the event of the intersection of event A and B is equal to 36, and the number of the favorable outcome of the event of the intersection of event A and B is equal to 1, and this is the element of the intersection of event A and B. Yes, so the em is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the probability of A intersection B. Okay, but we have to find the probability of A union B. Okay, write down it. Okay, so put the value. It is too simple now. P of A union B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of A intersection B. Put the value. P of A is equal to 1 by 6 plus P of B is equal to 1 by 6 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 36. Okay, so it is equal to 2 by 6 minus 1 by 36. The LCM is 36. So here 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12 minus 1 upon 36. So it is equal to 11 by 36. Clear? Okay, write down it. Clear? Okay, write down it. Okay, done. Okay, now come on to the illustration number 35. Illustration number 35 is that two city A and B of a different state have a rain on a 60% and 70% day respectively during the monsoon. Okay, there is a probability of event A and B. Event A is that city A has rain. Yes, has 60%, and the event B is that city B is rain, and it is probability is that 75%. Okay, during the monsoon for the city A and B, find the probability date on a certain monsoon day. Yes, we have to find the probability for these three conditions, and there is a not that. Not is that event of rain on the day in these two city are independent, means the event A and B are independent event. Okay, first of all we give the name. Event A is that event event that city A has rain. Okay, so the probability on the event B is that city B has rain. Yes, इवेंट ए क्या है कि सिटी पे ए सिटी में रेन आता है और इवेंट बी क्या है बी सिटी में रेन आता है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पी ऑफ ए एंड इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द एग्जांपल. ओके, पी ऑफ ए city A has rain, the probability of city A is rain is 60%, means 60 upon 100. Clear? Okay, now probability of event B is that city on rain on city B, and the probability of rain in city B is equal to 75%, so it is equal to 75 upon 100. Okay, now first of all we have to find, the first question is that probability of both the cities have rain. Both the cities means city A and city B, and means event A and event B. Yes, both the event A and B are occur simultaneously. Yes, so we have to find the intersection of event A and B. Clear? Okay, now second event is that at least one of the city has rain. At least one of the city means city A में रेन होगा तो भी चलेगा, सिटी B में होगा तो भी चलेगा, और सिटी A और सिटी B दोनों में रेन होगा तो भी चलेगा. At least one. For the at least one we have to know about there is a union. Yes, so this event is the A union B. It is so simple now. Okay, now third event is that only one city has rain. Only one city has rain. तो यहाँ पे क्या कंडीशन आ सकती है? सपोज देयर इज इवेंट सी, दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय इवेंट सी, ओनली वन सिटी हैज रेन. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है कि सिटी ए है उसमें रेन आता है, ओ एन फॉर द एंड देयर इज अ इंटरसेक्शन, और सिटी बी है उसमें रेन नहीं आता है. यस, दो सिटी में है, सिटी ए और बी में से सिर्फ एक ही सिटी में रेन आना चाहिए. ओनली वन सिटी इज रेन. यहाँ पे सिटी ए में रेन आता है एंड सिटी बी में रेन नहीं आता है. और दूसरी कंडीशन क्या आ सकती है कि सिटी बी है उसमें रेन आता है और सिटी ए है उसमें रेन नहीं आता है. क्लियर? एंड फॉर द और देयर इज अ यूनियन. Yes, there is a union, so this is the event C. Okay, now we have to find the probability easily. Okay, A union B is the event that both the cities have rain. Okay, so we have to find the probability of intersection of event A and B, and here note that the event A and event of the rain on the day in these two cities are independent. Yes, this event A and B are the independent event, and the formula for the independent event P of A intersection B is equal to P of A multiplied by P of B. Clear? It is too simple. Put the value P of A is equal to 60 by 100 and multiply by 75 by 100. Okay, so it will be 0 is cancelled, and 25 multiply by 3 and 25 multiply by 4, so 3 by 4. Yes, and here also 3 and 2 is cancelled, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9 upon 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Yes, clear? Okay, now second event we have to find the A union B, because there is at least one city has a rain. Okay, so event A union B is that event that at least one city has rain. Okay, so we have to find the probability of A union B. Yes, and it is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of A intersection B. Clear? Okay, P of A will be 60 by 100. Yes, P of B means 75 by 100, and P of A intersection B is equal to in the form of is equal to 9 by 20. Okay, take the LCM. LCM is equal to 100. Yes, so 100 upon 60 plus 75, and we have to multiply by 5. 9 multiply by 5 is equal to 45. Yes, and 60 plus 75 minus 45 is equal to 30 upon 100. So 90 by 100, and it will be 9 by 10. Clear? So this is the P of A union B. Write down it. Okay, now third event is that only one city is rain. Yes, and this event C denoted by C, and C is equal to A intersection B dash union B intersection E dash. Okay, so we have to find the probability of P of C, and it is equal to P of A intersection B dash, and for union there is a plus, and the P of B intersection O A dash. Okay, there is event A and B are the independent event, so we can write the P of A intersection B dash as P of A multiply by P of B dash. Clear? Okay, now plus P of B multiply by P of A dash. Put the value. Okay, where P of A is equal to 60 by 10, 60 by 100. Okay, multiply by P of B dash. We don't know about the P of B dash, but we can find the P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. Okay, plus P of B is equal to 75 by 100, and multiply by P of B dash. P of B dash is P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Clear? Okay, chalo, put the value 60 upon 100 multiply by 1 minus P of B. P of B is equal to 75 by 100. Okay, plus 75 by 100 and multiply by 1 minus P of A. P of A is equal to 60 by 100. Yes. Okay, now calculate it. 60 by 100 multiply by 100 minus 75 means 25 by 100. Okay, plus here 75 by 100 and multiply by 100 minus 60 is equal to 40 by 100. Okay, so 0 0 will be cancelled. Here also 0 0 will be cancelled. So 6 multiply by 25 upon 1000. Yes, 1000. Okay, sorry, we can calculate 25 multiply by 4 is equal to 100. Yes, then 2 and then 3 is also cancelled. Yes, 2 and 2 is cancelled. So 3 upon 20. Clear? Okay, plus there is 75. So the 25 multiplied by 3 is equal to 75. So here 3, and 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100. So here 4. Yes, then 4 and 4 is also cancelled. Yes, so the answer is 3 by 10. Take the LCM. LCM is 20. Yes, so there is 3 and there is, we have to multiply by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So our answer is that 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Clear? Okay, write down it. Okay, done. Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.